In the fast-paced world of law enforcement, nothing is as powerful as the bond between an officer and their K9 partner. Today, we dive into the best of K9 takedowns, where speed and training collide in heart-pounding moments. On June 2022, detectives with the Volusia Narcotics Task Forces have been in the new Smyrna Beach area conducting surveillance on a man named Nasson Bacon. Bacon had active warrants for aggravated battery with a firearm and is also a suspect in another pending case.
Did you see him? Oh, right here. Come here.
Bacon was recently seen purchasing a 60-round magazine at a gun store. A few days later, detectives spotted Bacon in a vehicle with two others, formed a perimeter, and moved in to take him into custody. He took off running, eventually hiding behind a house on Palm Street.
Pocket red, pocket red, pocket red, pocket red, pocket red, get your hands up! Hands up! Let me see your hands, pocket red! Good boy, red, pocket! Pocket! Good boy, pocket red! Pocket red, good boy! Good boy! Get him out! Pull him out! Pocket red, good boy, buddy! Good boy, red, pocket! Pocket! House! Shut up and take a watch that man, buddy! That's a good dog, Red! That's a good boy, Red! You watch him, Red! Watch that bad guy, buddy! Ah, good boy, buddy! That's a good boy! You watch that bad boy, you got a good boy!
The deputies' K9 quickly tracked Bacon to his hiding spot behind all the scrap metal. He was taken into custody, treated for a bite injury on scene, and then transported to the hospital for further treatment. On April 27, 2019, Greenville deputies initiated a traffic stop on a moped, but the rider sped off and they lost sight of him. The next day, the suspect was spotted pulling into a yard by deputies patrolling the area. When he noticed the deputies, he abandoned his moped and fled, which initiated a K9 track.
Where are they at? Mickey.
Yeah, he came this way. Then he started cutting behind the trailers. Cut down that road and parked in the next route.
Hold up.
So, I didn't see him come out.
Okay, where's your car at?
Down there.
Everybody watch my corners for me. Make sure people don't come out. Come on. Get out, Kevin. Come out now. Mickey! Off! Foy! Mickey! Off! Foy! Off! Mickey! Off!
Put your hands
Foy! Off! Foy! Off! Off!
The subject was confirmed as 47-year-old Kevin Leroy White. He was charged with possession with intent to distribute, failure to stop for blue lights, resisting arrest, and reckless driving.
Off! Kevin, you're under arrest, partner.
This officer was in pursuit of a 16-year-old robbery suspect. Watch what happened next.
Take him! Take him! Take him! Take him!
That's the register.
K912, my partner's got him. We're right here by the library.
Sir, please, please.
Lay on your stomach!
I'm sorry.
Don't with my dog! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. Good boy! Good boy! Good boy, bleib. Bleib. Bleib, bleib. Bleib.
The suspect was arrested without further incident.
That's the only one.
On February 18, 2024, officers were in pursuit of a vehicle theft suspect. They were able to stop the stolen vehicle, but the suspect tried fleeing on foot, so the service dog was released.
Connor, gun away, gun away. Hold on. You good if we walk up? Good. Go hands up. Go, Connor, in your hand. Just leash him up, Connor. Leash him up. Grab him by the collar. Grab him by the collar. Flip him over to the stomach.
Okay.
That's good? Yep.
I'm good.
Connor, go up there. We're going to pull him down a little bit, okay? Go down there. Let's cuff him up. Hey, just do a quick pat down. Quick pat down. Watch his head.
The dog, good. Mostly. Please, the dog. Oh, okay. Okay. Raise the hand behind your back. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
The driver, identified as 44-year-old Evan Boltsas, was booked into jail on charges of possession of a stolen vehicle and evading police.
I just want to take a look at this. Someone got gloves.
On January 25, 2020, several units responded to a call for service regarding an aggravated assault with a firearm. The victim had several shots fired in his direction by individuals he was previously engaged with in an argument. The suspects fled the scene on foot, and a track was conducted by a deputy and a K-9 who located one of the suspects.
Get him, Bob. Get him, shot. Get him, shot. Get him, shot. Get him, shot. Guys, hold the traffic and let the dog go. Get him, shot. Get him, shot. Hop. Shot here. Shot here. Hold the traffic. Air, keep eyes. Set. Set here. He's good. Out. That makes my dog. Set out. Good boy. Guys, hold it. Hold everything. At one. I need fire rescue for a dog bite. Stop! You're gonna get bit. Stop! You're gonna get bit.
This officer responded to the area in reference to locating a man wanted for committing an armed robbery in Florida. When two other deputies went to the suspect's front door, he ran out the back door, where this officer had been waiting.
I got a dog on. Get the dog on me.
Lay on the ground.
I am.
You're gonna put your hands on your back.
All right.
Coming off.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Lay down.
Yes, sir. Ah! He's shaking me,
Dude,
man.
stop resisting.
Hey, my
Hold
dog.
still.
That's my dog. Please. Hey.
But still, dude, I'm trying to help you.
Hey, guys. Rick, look. Rick, damn me out, Rick.
Hang on, hold still.
Rick.
You shouldn't have run, dude. Hold still. Hold still. Stop resisting.
I'm not.
Get
He's
back.
taking me,
Yeah, I
Rick.
need you to get back, okay?
Rick.
Get back, and I'll get over the fence and help you.
The suspect, identified as 36-year-old Andre Baker, was treated for minor injuries he sustained during the bite. He was arrested and transported to prison on charges of resisting arrest, possession of a firearm, and robbery with a firearm.
Bro, let me tell you something. Only Rambo jumps privacy fences to get people. You did a good job, buddy. You did a good boy, man. You did a good job. Good boy.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.